with meteorologist Jackie Layer.
Yeah, that summer feel coming up for this weekend. We're going to be tracking a warming trend through Sunday with high temperatures nearing 90 as we get towards the second half of this upcoming weekend. Other than that, it's that summer preview for this weekend, an isolated thunder threat as well, as we're going to be tracking the heat and humidity creeping up through the weekend as well. But I'll have more details on the timing of that isolated thunder threat coming up. But also, this is going to be ahead of schedule in terms of our first 90-degree day of the year. Typically, we see that around June 8th for Boston, but we did see our first 80-degree day just a few days ago, but that was behind schedule. We typically see that as early as May 4th. So behind schedule on our first 80-degree day, but it could be ahead of schedule for our first 90-degree day of the year. Current temperatures, though, right now into the 70s for many locations, but we are approaching 80 degrees right now towards Fitchburg as well as Jaffrey. A little bit cooler for the Cape and the Islands just because we are seeing those winds coming in out of the south-southwest. Those between 5 to closer to 15 miles per hour, and that's coming in off the cooler ocean waters, so a bit cooler down towards the Cape and the Islands and the south coast. Otherwise, seeing those winds mainly out of the south farther inland, that will allow those temperatures to warm up through this afternoon. High pressure just off the coast and another one down towards our south and west. That keeps us relatively dry today as well as most of the day tomorrow and even on Sunday, most of the weekend days as well. But also, we can't rule out that chance for a few spotty sprinkles early tomorrow morning. But overall for our Friday, remaining dry. This is just a disturbance of a few sprinkles popping up as early as 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Then those clear out. We're still be tracking mainly cloudy skies for our Saturday, so I'm thinking Sunday, the better beach day if you're trying to get outside and enjoy some of that sunshine. By noon, still tracking mainly cloudy skies Saturday, and then a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. So we get towards 7 p.m. So closer to sunset. So the bulk of our Saturday looks to be dry. Also Sunday, a similar setup. We do have this cold front that's going to be creeping in, and with that, that's going to be pushing its way in, and that will also give way to a few showers and maybe a few rumbles of thunder as well, as that hot air also competes with this much comfier and cooler air that trickles in just in time to kick off that following work week. Now, this comfortable air is much more seasonable for this time of the year, and high pressure will be with us as we kick off that following work week. In terms of the air conditioning forecast, it's your call to put it on if you want it today, although high temperatures will be until low 80s. Now, Saturday and Sunday, you'll likely need that AC just because we're tracking highs upper 80s Saturday, Sunday near 90, and not only that, we're also tracking those dew points on the rise. In terms of the dew points, much more muggy as we get towards Sunday with dew points into low 60s, but much more comfortable on Monday as those dew points really plummet back into the upper 30s as we look ahead towards Monday. The beach forecast, so as I mentioned before, we're tracking mainly cloudy skies on Saturday, maybe a few wispy clouds way up in the atmosphere, but overall tracking those high temperatures along immediate coastline, mid-upper 60s to low to mid 70s. Now Sunday, a little bit hotter, upper 70s to low to mid 80s at the coastline under partly cloudy skies. That allergy forecast still high all the way through Monday. Although we're going to be tracking a few of those isolated showers and storms Saturday and Sunday, it's really not enough to really clear the air, but at least we will clear the air in terms of the dew points as we kick off that work week on Monday, mainly sun-filled, highs in the low 70s, near 80 by Tuesday, and then we could also see our second 90-degree day as early as Wednesday.